Hey Florida, if you're like me, every year your property tax bill hits like a brick. Thousands on top of your mortgage just to live in your own home. These taxes are especially high here in Southwest Florida. Sound familiar? Well, recently, Governor Ron Desantis announced a plan to ditch those taxes entirely. It was met with a lot of excitement, but also with controversy and criticism. And so I did a ton of research and dug deep to see how we could make it work without wrecking our schools or our poorest towns. Stick with me. This could save us big. Imagine no property tax on your home, thousands back in your pocket. That's $2,300 on average statewide. Retirees breathe easy. Families like mine dodge the crunch. Renters? Picture affordable rents. Save $1,200 for a two-bedroom because landlords get a tax break to keep rates low. In Cape Coral, where home prices tanked, this could spark a comeback. How? Keep businesses taxed and tweak the sales tax. Tourists and big spenders pick up the slack. Here's the juice. 130 million tourists drop billions yearly, up to $11.5 billion in sales tax. Stores and factories keep paying their fair share too. Split that cash by population. Lee County scores big. Rural Madison gets a lifeline. Low-income folks control their tax hit, skip extras when cash is tight. Luxury homes over $406,000 pay a little bit, but homesteaders lock in. It's fair, and every Floridian saves $700 to $800 a year. DeSantis lit the fuse, but my plan makes it real. Homeowners ditch a nightmare, renters catch a break, all without chaos. Want the full scoop? How to fund schools, boost housing, and stick it to the tax man? I've got a Substack post with a blueprint that lays it all out. Hit the link below or in my video description for the deep dive. It's got the numbers, the fixes, everything that I couldn't cram into a 3-minute post. Read the post and share it everywhere. Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, you name it. TikTok. Tell your friends to read this. Make it law. Florida's waiting. Let's slash those taxes together.